God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Good evening po! Welcome to our 124th Civil Service Celebration culminating activity. And to formally open our program, may we call on our Honorable Vice Mayor Vicente Arza Maulan for his words of welcome. Palakpakan po natin siya. Excited na? Hindi. Excited na ba? Siyempre, before we start, ipakilala muna natin ang ating mga judges na magbibigay ng puntos sa ating mga magigiting na participants for tonight. Of course, judge number 1 has a Master of Arts in the Public Schools District Supervisor, none other than Mrs. Hedevisa M. Volante.